this video, I show you how to grant access to the client portal. While access to the client portal can be granted when creating a new contact, it can also be granted on existing contacts under Clients, Contacts, and the Client Portal Access button. You can enable the checkbox against the contacts you would like to grant portal access to, and after you've checked the ones you need, you're going to want to update the portal access button. Now, these checkboxes might be grayed out and inaccessible to edit. This would mean that you have most probably under Clients and Settings. At the bottom, you'll want to make sure login required for portal is not checkmarked. Now, another thing to note is that if you do have this checkbox deselected, then the system will allow the contact to use a specific link to go directly into the portal without a login. The link is sent when portal access is assigned and is automatically included for each invoice or statement sent via email. In this case, you don't need to create a specific login for the contact, but if you do, that will override the automatic login and require the contact to enter those credentials. Now, to create a login for a contact, go under Clients and Contacts and click Edit against the contact, and here you want to create a portal login. Once you've assigned the contact a login name and a password, these credentials will be emailed out to the client on the email address on file.